From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
It was a messy morning to start off the day across the Commonwealth with sleet and freezing rain here in State College. And as we get throughout the day today, we saw that rain come to an end, but the clouds hanging tough throughout the Commonwealth. Temperatures hovering in the low 30s throughout the day until about this afternoon, where we started to break into the mid-30s at 34 degrees around 2 o'clock. And the clouds still hanging tough right now in central Pennsylvania. Some sleet on the ground from last night here at beautiful Beaver Stadium with some construction underway. Our radar and satellite picture right now showing that storm system moving out of the Commonwealth. Some straggling freezing rain and rain east of I-81, but those clouds still hanging around in western Pennsylvania. And when that's going to set up another storm system for this weekend, we can see the storm that hit us last night in Maine and portions of eastern New England, spreading snow and freezing rain there. We have some showers across the western Ohio River Valley and another round of rainfall in northern and central California, where they've been getting battered as of late. Let's time out this next system. Clouds hang tough throughout the rest of the day today, and some snow showers possible as we head into the early morning hours of Friday. I don't think we'll see any flakes here in State College, but areas north of I-80 could pick up some squall-like conditions as those showers come through. And as the day progresses on Friday, we'll see some clearing throughout the early morning hours, and into the evening we'll start to see those clouds work their way back in ahead of our next storm system with an initial thump of snow on the front end. Some areas, and especially north of I-80, could see 3 to 6 inches of snow from this event. Here in State College, we'll be tiptoeing the snow freezing rain line, and depending on which side we end up on depends on how much snow we'll get. We could see 2 to 4 inches of snow here in State College if we stay on that colder side, but if some of that upper level warm air works its way in, we'll be talking more in the realm of 1 to 3 inches and potentially a 1/10 of an inch of ice on top of that snowfall. Southwestern Pennsylvania looking to remain all rain yet again as this storm continues to work its way through. It'll be a quick hitting system as it'll be out by the early morning hours of Sunday. Some straggling showers north of I-80, where northeast Pennsylvania, areas like Scranton, could see upwards of a half a foot of snow if all plays out right. After this storm moves off the coast, we'll see northwesterly flow ahead of our next weather maker. But as we get there, Sunday and Monday could be a bit gusty as that storm moves out. But with that cold air getting drawn in from Canada and another round of precipitation reloading in the southeastern U.S., we're set up for another weather maker next week that will most likely be all snow here in the Commonwealth. Models not going out that far just yet, but we can see that snow starting to peek into the picture of the Ohio River Valley and portions of the Mid-Atlantic. Tonight, going to be a relief from the clouds with some partly cloudy conditions, finally seeing some clearer skies, westerly breeze at 5 to 10 miles per hour, and a slight chance of some snow showers throughout the early morning hours. And as we head throughout the day tomorrow, 34 degrees, just a few ticks below our average for this time of year. Mostly sunny, but it will be breezy with northwesterly winds at 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusting to 40. As we head through the next 7 days, we have our next weather maker on Saturday, going to start off as snow and transition to some icing as we head into the evening hours on Saturday. Tuesday and Wednesday will be back on snow watch, as we could see another weather maker dumping up to a half a foot of snow if all plays out well with the position of that low pressure system. If it ends up a little bit further off to our southeast, we'll be more in the range of 1 to 3 inches. But as we head throughout our Super Bowl weekend, looking like 2 great days on the bookends of the weekend, but we do have to get through a little wintry mess in between. Enjoy your weekend all and have a great rest of your day.